The word we'll be learning in this section is kuru, which you will often hear in emotional or psychological contexts, especially when discussing unexpected outcomes or technical malfunctions. The word kuru means to go mad or lose one's sanity. It carries the idea of mental instability or behaving erratically. In some contexts, it can also refer to something deviating from the norm, becoming disordered, or malfunctioning. The first kanji means madness or craziness, and often conveys something wild or out of control. In words like kyoki, it brings the sense of extreme mental disorder or insanity. In words like kyojin, it gives the idea of a person who is driven mad or behaves wildly. You can also see this kanji used to express intense or extreme states beyond literal mental illness. The shock drove me crazy. ショックで心が狂う。ショックで心が狂う。The clock is going crazy. 時計が狂う。時計が狂う。The travel plan went crazy. 旅行の計画が狂った。旅行の計画が狂った。The most common synonyms of the word 狂う is 乱れる. This synonym emphasizes becoming disordered or confused, rather than the mental instability associated with 狂う. The most common antonyms of the word 狂う is 収まる. This word conveys the idea of calming down or resolving, contrasting the erratic nature of 狂う.